Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, but the ultimate aim is Vasudeve, Pritin na javat mai Vasudeva. This is the ultimate goal. You have to come to this stage. Vasudeva Sarvamiti, fully, firmly convinced that Vasudeva is my life, Vasudeva is everything, Krishna is my life. The highest perfection is visible in the Vrindavan atmosphere, especially by the gopis, everyone in Vrindavan, even the trees and plants, even the grains of sand, everyone is attached to Krishna. That is Vrindavan. So, not all of a sudden we can get that high stage of life, of Vrindavan attachment, but still, wherever we stay, if we practice this bhakti yoga, as you are preaching, and it is becoming successful, people are taking, those who are so-called lectures and javanas, they are also taking to Vasudeva. Their love for Krishna is increasing. That is natural. It is said in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti. Nitya Siddha. Just like I am or you are, we are eternal. Nitya Sasatoyam Nahannati Hannamane Sharire. We are not destroyed by the destruction of the body. We remain, continue to remain. Similarly, our devotion to Krishna continues. It is simply covered. Avidyaya atmani upadhiyamani. Avidya, this is avidya. We forget Krishna, that is avidya. And as soon as we take Krishna as our life and soul, that is vidya. You can do, anyone can do very easily. Krishna says therefore, sarvadharman parityaja mamekam sar. Why? Any other so-called religious system, that is avidya, will keep you in ignorance. There is no light. And the Vedic injunction is that don't keep yourself in the darkness of ignorance. Tamasi ma, jyotirgama. That jyoti means to love Krishna. And loving affairs of Krishna is in the spiritual world. That is jyoti, jyotirmaya dham, self-effacement. Jasya prabha prabhotu jagadandakoti. There is no darkness. Just like in the sun, there is no question of darkness. The examples are here. We can understand what is jyoti. We can see that there is no darkness in the sun planet. It is all glowing effulgence. Similarly, in the spiritual world, there is no ignorance. Everyone is Shuddha Sattva, not only Sattvagun, but Shuddha Sattva. Sattanga Visuddhanga Vasudeva Sabda. Here in this material world, there are three qualities, Sattvagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. So, none of these gunas are pure. There is mixture. And because there is mixture, therefore we see so many varieties. But we have to come to the platform of Sattvagun. And that process is hearing. This is the best process. Sinnathang sakatha Krishna punna savana kirtan. If you hear regularly Srimad Bhagavatam, we are therefore stressing, always hear, always read, always hear. Nittama Bhagavata sevaya. Nitta. If you can constantly 24 hours, you can, if you hear and chant. Hear means somebody chants, or you chant yourself, or hear. Or some of your colleague may chant, you hear, or he may hear, you may chant. This process must go on. This is Savanam Kirtanam, Vishnu, that is Bhagavad. Not any other nonsense talks, gossiping. Simply hear and chant. Then, Chinnatang Sakatha Krishna, if you seriously hear and chant, seriously, yes, this life I shall engage only for increasing my love of Vasudeva. If you are determined, it can be done. There is no difficulty. And as soon as you do this, you increase and fully your love for Vasudeva, then there is no more chance of contacting material body. Janma karmancha dibbam me jujalati tattata tattadiham punarjanmanait. That is the same thing. And if you do not understand Krishna, if you do not increase your natural love for Krishna, then namucchati diha jogina tava. There is no chance. There is no chance. You may take birth next life in a very rich family, in a Brahmin family, Jova Brasta, but that is also not release. Again you may fall down. Just like we see, there are so many, just like you Americans, you are born in this family, this nation, but falling down, becoming hippies, falling down. So there is chance, not that it is guaranteed. Because I am born in a rich family or Brahman family, that is guaranteed. No guarantee. This Maya is so strong that it is only trying to drag you down, drag you down. So many influences. So therefore, we sometimes see that these Americans, they are so fortunate that born in a country where there is no poverty, there is no scarcity. But still, because the leaders are rascals, they are arranged for meat eating, illicit sex, intoxication, and gambling. Advertise naked women and what is called beef eaters and liquor. This is going on. Advertise cigarettes, just to pull them down. Again, go to hell. Punanmusikavu. They do not know. But what dangerous civilization this is, dragging them. Therefore, sometimes some senior section of the old men, they come to me, they offer their thanks. Swamiji, is a great fortune that you have come to our country. They acknowledge. Yes, that's a fact. This Krishna consciousness movement is a great fortunate movement, and especially in the Western countries, that's a fact. So those who have taken, take it very seriously. Increase your love for Krishna. Pritim na javat mai Vasudeve. Namucchate dehojo. They do not know what is the actual problem of life. The actual problem of life is dehojo, this foreign body. We are accepting one time bhutta praliyat, accepting one type of body. Therefore they have these rascals, leaders in Europe and America. They have concluded there is no birth. That's all. Because if they accept there is life after death, then it is horrible for them. So they have dismissed. No, there is no God. Big so-called professors, learned scholars, they talk foolishly. Swamiji, after this body is finished, everything is finished. That is their conclusion. And if the body comes by accident, kimannat kama hetukam. Asattam apratisthanti jagadahu anisharam. So, this kind of civilization is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. So at least those who have come to Krishna consciousness, they should be very, very cautious about this dangerous type of civilization. People are suffering. Take to Krishna consciousness moment and be happy and perfect. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.